In this video, I'm going to show you how to add food to MacroFactor. Now, the first way you can do this is simply by tapping on the plus button at the bottom, and then from here you want to go to search, and this is where you can search for food. So for example, if I type in rice, as you can see, I have a bunch of different options over here. Now you could go ahead and scan it as well. You could use AI up top, or you could just simply quick add. Those all are the options, but if you want to add your own food, that's possible too. You want to go to your library, so up top where you have a bunch of different things, go to a library, and then switch over from recipes to foods. Inside foods, tap on the plus button top right, and this is where you can basically create and add your own food. So for example, here you can give it like a food name, brand name, etc. You could also scan the barcode if you want to, and then just keep on tapping the next button, and whenever you come to the end, you have to of course fill in all the information regarding that specific food, and then you'll be able to add it and of course have it listed inside your custom foods inside your library. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.